Welcome back everyone. Now in this video, after understanding the concept of economic activities, three types of economic activities, business, profession and employment. In this video, we'll learn about what are the business activities and what is the nature of business activities. So let's learn the meaning of business first. Business refers to any occupation wherein people regularly engage in an activity with the view to earn profits. A business activity may consist of production, it may consist of purchase or exchange of goods or supply of services for satisfying the needs of people in the society. So, an activity which leads to production or arrangement, that is procurement of goods and services in lieu of earning money, in lieu of earning profit on regular basis is referred to as business. Remember, it should be done on regular basis. For example, if I have an old dining table and I sell that dining table, even after being the old dining table, I earn some money, I earn some profit in return. It is not a business. But the same activity, if I carry out on regular basis and I start dealing in selling and purchasing of furnitures, purchasing from the wholesaler, selling it to the consumers on regular basis in return of profit, that is referred to a business activity. Let's learn few definitions of business in the words of Lewis H. Henney. Business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods or services. In the words of B.O. Wheeler, business is an institution organized and operated to provide goods and services to the society under the incentive of private gain. So this is how we say that business activity is done on regular basis to earn profit. It could be in the form of production activities done in factories. It could be in the form of procurement, that is purchasing from the producer or a wholesaler, selling to the consumers, earning profit in return, keeping a profit margin for self. This is called business activity. Now let's understand the nature and features one by one. Business creates utility in goods and services. What does this utility means? Utility means use. How the business is creating utility? It creates different forms of utility. Products are not consumed at the same time when they are produced. Similarly, products are not produced at the same place at where they are consumed. Also, products are not consumed in the same form as they are consumed. For example, we do not consume raw wheat, but we consume cake and biscuits. We do not consume the wheat converted into biscuits at the same time when they were produced. Similarly, we are not using at the place where they were produced. Therefore, business is creating utilities. It creates time utility. It creates a time utility by keeping the products intact, keeping the product safe from the time of production till the time of consumption. Biscuits are not consumed the same day in which they were produced in the factory. So business through storages is creating time utility. Similarly, we are not consuming the products, we are not consuming the clothes at the place where they were produced. Okay, so business is creating place utility through providing the transportation services. On the other hand, we are not consuming the products in the same form. We don't consume cotton, raw cotton, but we use cotton cloths. So form of the cotton, raw cotton is converted into cloth. Business is creating form utility. Time utility is created through warehouses, storages, godowns. Place utility is created through transportation services. Form utility is created by production services in the factories. So business is creating different types of utilities, different types of uses. Secondly, aim of any business activity is to earn money, multiply money by satisfying its consumers. A business activity creates utility, as I told you. It helps in, it multiplies money with the help of earning profits. It produces or procures goods and services. Now again, it is not necessary that in any business activity production would be done. It could be procurement also. Production is done in factories. And every business activity is not in the form of industries or factories. It could be in the form of a retail business. It could be in the form of a wholesale business. So production or procurement of goods and services is done. Also, business involves risk in transaction. Now, what type of risk? Risk of storage, risk of natural calamities, risk of theft, risk of spoilage, pilferage, brokerage of the product. In a business activity, all types of risks are involved. Now let us discuss about the features of business one by one. Features and characteristics mean the same. Business is an economic activity. As I told you, all those activities which help in earning an income in return are referred to as economic activities. So, business is an economic activity whose purpose is to earn money or livelihood, and it does not include any emotional areas here. We are while carrying out a business activity, we are just concerned about the money and satisfying the consumers, and we are not involved in any kind of sentiments with the emotion of love, affection, etc. Second feature is it involves production and procurement of goods or services. Not only the production, but procurement is also done. A business either manufactures goods or it deals in sale, purchase, procurement, exchange from the producers to the consumers, any type of activity which help in multiplying the money through profits on regular basis, either through production or through procurement. Procurement means arrangement. A retailer arranges the products for selling to the consumers through the producers or through the retailers or through the wholesalers. So this way, procurement or arrangement of goods are also a part of business, either production or procurement of goods and services. So, and business produces both the consumable goods in the form of bread, butter, utensils, shoes, cloths, books, bags, etc. And it also produces capital goods in the form of machinery, equipment, tools, etc. Next feature is business involves sale or exchange of goods and services, but it should be done on regular basis. As I told you, just selling a second hand product from your house to somebody else in return of profit will not be called a business, but if you are engaged in such type of activities on regular basis and earning income in return regularly, it will be called a business. So sale or exchange is between the two parties, buyers and sellers, and business involves more than one transaction of exchange or selling of goods or services. Basic aim of any business activity is to earn and multiply the money. So basic purpose is to earn profit for its survival, for its growth. Profits are necessary, multiplying the money is necessary. Business can make every possible efforts to maximize the profits. Next feature is there is always an uncertainty of return. Maybe a businessman earns huge profits, maybe he incurs losses. It all depends upon the situations and time periods. Uncertainty refers to the lack of knowledge about the amount of money, amount of profit that a business is going to earn in a given period of time. We are not sure as a business person, as entrepreneurs, how much profit would be earned. In spite of best efforts, there always remains the possibility of incurring of losses. And a business activity always involves risk. As I told you, there are so many risks. Risk may be related to natural calamity, it may be related to human theft, forgery, it may be related to spoilage of the product, breakage of the product, pilferage, that is spoiling due to seasonal conditions of the product, or anything else. So a business activity involves uncertainty which is with an exposure to loss. It can occur due to unfavorable or undesirable events in the near future. So I hope that you are now clear with what is a business activity, what are the definitions, what is the aim of business, and what are the features or characteristics of business. Rest we will continue in the coming videos. Thank you all.